What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. At my office today, just walked out of the office, so I had to wear my mask, but decided to take a little break at 3:30 in the afternoon to install some simple mods on the truck, so let's do it. Looking so clean right now next to my boss's truck. This is my boss's 2016 Tacoma. It has a Fox lift and then some fuels. I can't remember the exact model wheel that is, but big fan of it. Looks really good. He's got some Toyota Open Countries on there. This is the off-road. Pretty sick. So let's go ahead and hop into the truck and I'll show you the mods. All right, so here we go. So number one, shout out to Tacoma Lifestyle. That is where I bought the mods from, but here we go. So nothing too spectacular here. So we have the black Tacoma badges for the side of the truck and then a paint matched emblem for the steering wheel. So let's go ahead and start with this one. So this is everything that comes in the box or the little baggie. So basic instructions here with a little caution thing on it, the actual emblem itself, and then a alcohol wipe to wipe down the chrome surface of the logo. So it definitely says do not use the alcohol wipe on the leather at all because it could remove the finish. So we're going to be very careful and apply this really quick. All right, so the emblem is nice and clean, got a little bit on there, but I don't think it's going to, drastically destroy everything there. But this is what the back of the emblem looks like. There's just these little tabs sitting on the back, so it's just a bunch of adhesive. So I just went ahead and took them off just for the purpose of the video, and I'm only using one hand. So let's go ahead and put this thing on. All right, so filming this with one hand, so let's kind of line this up, press from the top there. Kind of just press all the way around in the middle. There we go, kind of hear a click. I don't want to push too hard or the horn will go off. I'm surprised it already hasn't. Dang, that is so sick. Not a big fan of chrome at all. As a matter of fact, I hate chrome. This looks fantastic. Now, it didn't look bad on the steering wheel, mind you. I'm not a big fan of just like chrome side steps and wheels and, accents. Not a big fan. On the steering wheel, again, not a big problem. But this looks awesome now that it's paint matched. It is really close. I don't know if he knows the paint code. Actually, the designer who makes these, the same guy who makes the key covers. So that's him there, AGAT Designs. Shout out to him. So, and we're gonna do a video on installing that later on. So stay tuned for that. But other than that, guys, that looks super good. Very happy with the way that looks. I wasn't exactly sure on how it was gonna look, but I'm very happy with it. All right, so I made a mess, so let's clean that up super quick. Boom, there we go. So these are super cool, actually. So you don't have to take the entire emblem off. So a lot of people, when they get their emblems wrapped, they have to remove them, or if they're gonna get them painted, they have to come off the truck. With these, all they do is just go right over top the existing emblem. So we just have the adhesive on the back, just remove that, and they stick on right over top of the existing emblem. So let's go ahead and put them on. All right, so I went ahead and wiped the emblem down. So what we're gonna do, I don't know if we're gonna be able to do this with one hand. All right, so you definitely can't do that with one hand, but damn, does it look good. So at first, there was just a little bit of chrome peeking through. You really just have to kind of finagle it, just work it into all the little grooves. So just kind of push down and, all the little crevices and whatnot. I basically just took my hand and went down the side like this. Don't push too hard because again, this is plastic and you don't want to dent your door in, but it looks perfect. Now you can't see any chrome whatsoever. It looks so good. All right, let's do the next one. So notice how you can see a little bit of the chrome peeking through, like right there. All you gotta do is really just kind of pushing all those little corners. So like right there, see it's disappearing. Actually, you see right there. You can see it really does slip right over top of, there's some tar there. That's annoying. Whoa, falling over. I think we're good down here. Yep, all good. Oh, you guys are literally looking at nothing. There we go. All done. Yep, you can hear a little pop there. Oh yeah, that looks so good. All right, we are all cleaned up and good to go. Man, those black emblems really look good on the side. Since the windows are super dark and it's, you know, got the black accents, with this color, it just looks so good with the black emblems. Oh yeah, it's the little things. I need to get some for Kevin because he still has chrome ones over there. But man, that looks so freaking good. I still have my mask draped over my chin here like a total dweeb. But if you guys are interested in either of these products, the link will be down in the description at Tacoma Lifestyle. I'm sure you could probably get them on, you know, other Tacoma websites or whatever, but that is the website I went to. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little mod video. Again, nothing super crazy, just black emblems and the emblem on the dash. But you know what? It's the little things that really set off a build, and that makes me really happy. So bigger mods coming in the future. This is just two super simple mods that I did. Again, I'm going to show you guys how to install the AJT design key fob. It was a little tricky at first, but I'll make a video on doing that one as well. Other than that, guys, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, tons of mods coming in the future. But until next time and until the next Tacoma video, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.